Welcome you to this channel. So in today's video I want to show you guys step by step on how you can actually use this coin arbitrage opportunity to make money on daily basis. Okay, just by buying a coin where the coin is low, then you go to another platform where you can actually sell this particular coin for a higher price, then make some percentage from it. Okay, in most cases you can make up to 10% to 5% to 20% in transactions, okay, in trading. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn up the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video you get to know about it and to make money with it. Okay, now for those of you that have been asking me about coin arbitrage is actually when you buy a coin in exchange, just like this particular exchange now is Mexi. So when you buy a particular coin from Mexi, in, let's say you buy it for $1, then you go to Bybit or Binance to sell it $1.20. So it means that in each $1 you are making 20 cents out from it. And this particular opportunity doesn't actually last too long. Okay, it doesn't last long, okay, because it is just a price difference that you are taking advantage of. Okay, so that is the reason why we also make a VIP group where we post this particular signals on daily basis. Once we spot the opportunity, we post it in our VIP group for you to take advantage of it for my students. So you can join us and start making use of it, and it's not for free. Okay, you can send me message on WhatsApp or Telegram if you want to actually join us. So the coin which we actually gonna be using for today's trade is this particular coin called TOB. Okay, because in most cases before we carry out this particular opportunity, we might have we would have gone through the coin and find that there is opportunity in it and people are actually making money from it before we now start trading on it, or before I start making video on it. Okay, so if you take a look at this particular coin here, which is TOD, okay, this TOD is selling at 0.0044 in this particular exchange. So we are going to go to the second exchange and see how much we can actually make from the second exchange. And also remember, the price from the time you have seen this particular video and the time I'm making this particular video, it might not actually be the same price at that point in time. Okay, because it depends on when you are when the opportunity is actually available. And I also want to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. Okay, this thing I'm sharing with you guys here is actually how I make my own money on daily basis. So if you doesn't understand how crypto space work, how this particular trade work, you can actually lose money in it. That's just the honest gospel truth about it. So you need to understand how it actually works. Don't focus much on the outlook, which is the money that is involved in it. You need to learn it, you need to understand it. I also have a class where I teach people on how to carry out this particular arbitrage, because there is a particular bot that enable you, that we are making use of right now, that will enable you to buy this particular coin fast. Just like as I'm making this video, it takes just some 30 seconds to 1 minute for that particular bot to execute a trade. So it buys immediately and also sell immediately. Okay, so you need to know those things, you need to understand it, because in this particular season now, arbitrage have gone out from someone trying to do it manually. Okay, if you are trying to still do it manually, just like you are buying it here, then you are sending it to another exchange before you sell it. In most cases, the price might have come together. Okay, so it is, in some people it might take them like 30 minutes because of they are still newbies. Okay, you have not mastered it in trading. Okay, you have not mastered that particular movement. So when you are doing it, some people it takes them 30 minutes to execute one trade. Just buy here, then before they could be able finish and app malfunction like Bybit, before you want to open it and close it, it might malfunction and take you like extra 20 minutes for you to make a withdrawal and all of that. Okay, it happens in every app. So that's the reason why this particular app bot that we are using right now is very, very powerful. It can execute the trade once you slot in the coin and the two exchange, the opportunity is available. What you need to do is you buy with the amount you want to buy and sell immediately. Very powerful. So for you to be able to get access to it, you need to join my class. Okay, you need to join my VIP. Okay, and it's not for free. So if you want to join us, you can send me a message on WhatsApp or Telegram. So right now you can see that this particular token over here, this particular coin is selling for 0.0044. okay, so I'm gonna write it down. Then let's go to the exchange, the other exchange, because I'm really gonna be buying it for let's say a minimum of 50 USDT. okay, for those of you that doesn't have much to do this. Okay, so what I'm gonna be doing is to copy this amount that we are getting. Okay, so I'm gonna copy it. This is the amount which we bought, and this is how many pieces we actually get. Okay, this is the how many pieces we get, and we bought it at this particular price, which is look at the price over here. Okay, this is the price that we got it. Okay, for 50 USDT over here, 50 USDT, and this is the price, the amount we got here. This is amount. Okay, then this particular place is now the price, which is 0.0044. okay, so now let's go to the second exchange and see actually how much we're really gonna be getting from it. You can actually start with as low as 50 USDT and be making like 5 USDT. okay, so you can start small and actually grow it. Okay, if you take a look at this particular place now, you see that this particular coin over here, the same coin is selling for 0.00465. okay, remember the purchasing price was 0.00444. okay, so what we're really gonna be doing over here right now is to since you have seen the price, let's check out if this particular coin is actually profitable. okay, so what I'm gonna be doing right now is to check the price which we bought it, okay, with 50 USDT. So what we're gonna be doing now is that we're gonna be placing the price here. This is what you can see over here. So you can see that the profit is actually 2.45 US. So what let's do equals to, then we minus our initial capital. So you can see the profit actually is 2.45 $2.45. okay, so if you the real major way to make money here is actually when you have done this over and over and over again. okay, if you do it over and over and over again, you'll find out that let's say you do it up to 10 times with that particular bot. You can see this is 24 USDT, and this is almost half of your starting capital. okay, so you can see it actually profitable. So if you want to make money with arbitrage, what you need to do is to start trading. okay, make sure you understand how it actually work before you start. So you can send me a message on Telegram or WhatsApp if you want to learn how to go about this. If you want to be getting the signal on daily basis, you can also send me a message on WhatsApp to join our VIP group. okay, thank you.